Notre pays va décoller, mesdames et messieurs, la semaine prochaine. Soyez au 22 rue Sainte-Catherine-S, coin Saint-Laurent, pour la soirée réseautage de la Jeune Chambre de commerce haïtienne du Canada, de la planète, au monde entier, et pas seulement de Montréal. Anyway, non, j'aime bien l'ajustement. Merci à M. Patrick Gilles pour nous avoir donné offert cette précision et tous les infos. Quelqu'un d'autre qui veut réunir tous nos jeunes noirs anglophones et francophones ici à Montréal, c'est mon ami ici, Pharaoh Freeman. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good
Bonjour.
Morning. Bonjour, you got the Franglish going on.
Mais c'est nécessaire, that's our point. You like the English and the French, il faut qu'on soit capable de se communiquer.
C'est ça. Puis moi dans mon cas, il y a le créole, il y a l'espagnol.
Right,
tu dois sûrement avoir le patois jamaïcain aussi.
Yeah,
okay.
Basically a little bit of everything.
Yeah. Alors, Monsieur Freeman, vous faites quelque chose de très intéressant in the west end of Montreal, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, well, near Lionel Brew Metro, so it's downtown Montreal.
Okay.
And basically the event is to really, well, first off, we're going to be showing a documentary.
Okay.
The name of the documentary is Hidden Colors.
Hidden Colors, les couleurs cachées.
Les couleurs cachées.
Okay.
Le site web pour le trouver en français, c'est Identité cachée.
L'identité cachée.
C'est ça, .com. OK, identitécachée.com. Mais la raison qu'on fait ça, c'est à cause qu'on trouve que le problème, c'est plus mental maintenant. It's more for people to understand their culture and where we're from, so that we can start seeing each other as brothers and sisters again. So that's why we find it necessary to watch the documentary as a group. The documentary is in English, but we'll have people there be able to translate if needed. But then after the documentary is to discuss.
Discuter de quoi? De la langue, de la couleur, de la jeunesse?
C'est comment se réunir en termes de personnes, right? So it goes beyond just business and just, let's get together for fun. It's how do we create a system amongst ourselves to be able to support ourselves and our future generations.
Donc tu peux venir, tu peux être jamaïcain, parler anglais, ou bien haïtien qui parle créole, you could be a Latino, very dark Latino, and you come and you talk with the people about uniting
as a community, exactly.
For the economy, for the
economy,
identity also.
Exactly, identity, but it's because really we need to establish. I almost want to say like an enterprise, because right now where we're at right now is we're just working like we're working our 9 to 5, but we have no investments, we have no long-term anything. So basically our generation to come are going to be going through the same rat race, where when you look at other cultures, other nationalities, they have structures.
Ils se développent et on reste un peu comme dans un sens, on est le flavor of the month.
C'est ça.
Ouais, c'est pas cool.
Non, c'est pas cool du tout. Et le pire, c'est que c'est nous qui investissons plus notre argent dans les entreprises hors de notre communauté. Fait que c'est temps qu'on se réunisse ensemble.
Tu dis que la communauté noire investit plus dans les autres communautés?
For sure.
Comme ils consomment ailleurs plus que parmi eux.
Exactement. And that's actually a fact. Que nous, en termes de peuple noir, like we are some of the biggest spenders on the planet. So it's like if we were to just be able to unite and see the value in investing in ourselves, we could empower ourselves. But it's like right now we're kind of, it's like that crab in a bucket type of thing. Like no one wants to see each other, no one wants to see the next brother rise. But we have to eliminate that whole concept.
Il faut se reconnaître aussi, et savoir un peu sa position aussi. Toi t'es fermier, moi je suis un pharmacien, elle est vidangeur, et lui est avocat, et puis tout le monde est correct. Mais tout le monde on dirait veut être king. King of the world, king of je sais pas quoi.
Exactly. Mais c'est ça, king of je sais pas quoi exactement. There's nothing to rule right now. So it is really that. So we find there's a huge value in coming together and just discussing the possibilities. And we have a couple of things we're going to propose as well to the community.
Okay.
And just to see how they feel about it.
Before we leave, there's 1 minute left. Can you give us a phone number, a website, the address, and where it's going to happen?
So phone number 514-651-4545 for details. The website in English it's simple. Just go to hiddencolorscanada.com. In French, the identitécachée.com. And the address for the event, if I'm not mistaken, is 2515 DeLille.
Okay.
It's right down, it's like 2 seconds walk from Lionel Brew Metro.
Okay.
And it's going to be next week, Wednesday at 6 p.m.
Wednesday at 6 p.m. Lionel Brew Metro.
Exactly, and we're going to have a little free finger foods and stuff like that, you know, because black people like get together, we like to eat,
yeah.
You know, so we figure we'll have
chicken.
You know,
that's a classic.
Yeah, but we're vegetarian. Okay, we also promote basically healthy eating. Okay,
oh,
so
okay.
yeah,
okay.
we it's just to say you won't find any meat there, but we will definitely have a little finger food and stuff that healthy eating. We gotta be conscious.
All right. I'm always happy for you to pass by. Thank you for passing by.
Thank you for
having me. Hope you're going to connect with la Jeune Chambre de Commerce et all that good stuff.
Exactly.
Alors, il nous reste 10 secondes, mesdames et messieurs. Je vous souhaite de passer un merveilleux week-end. Stay focused. God bless. And see all those black people without no chicken.
Hey. Thank you.
Done.
Good.